Good afternoon, guys. So today, this video, we're doing an install on some new coilovers that I got as a special gift. Fortune Autos. Man, I was so stoked when I got these as a Christmas gift. I did not expect it. And I'm very, truly thankful that I got them for Christmas. Alright, let's get to it. So right now, I'm gonna jack up the car, take off the wheels, and throw it on jacks right now. Alright, sick. Got the front of the car all jacked up. Look at this. Look at that spring. That shit is real bad. It's like shot. So I'm running on stock suspension with Swift's lowering springs. They handle really good. The only thing is that there's so much body roll with stock suspension that this doesn't have so much stiffness between it. And eventually one day I want to track the car, and with stock suspension it's not gonna do. So I wanted to give you guys a little update on the car. Well, this is my first update. Last video I had was me getting state ref, and that I was putting all my car to stock. That's when I was on stock turbo, E85, almost full bolt-ons except for cams. So intercooler piping, lower intercooler piping, intake, full exhaust, downpipe, etc. So now this is my new setup that I just got tuned within the last 2 weeks that I did not film because I just started my YouTube back up and I want to show you guys some more content going on. So I'll just give you a little quick brief walk around on it. So it's a stock block 4G63, GSE 272 cams, springs and lifters and retainers. I'm running an FP Black turbo MHI, so it's the stock mount of the turbo. Still the same shit, intercooler piping, intake, exhaust, injectors, E85. She's pushing around 460 E85 and 380/91, so it's not too bad. And that's not even where I want to be placed. I'm already tired of the freaking power already. I can't like believe it. 460 is just not enough. Not to sound cocky or anything, but I'm shooting for the 5.6. Maybe we'll get there one day. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna take off the wheels. And we're gonna do that right now. So I like to use this DeWalt. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Okay. So I like to use the DeWalt 20 volt. Takes off the lugs real quick. Just zip it off. This is such a real handy tool, especially if you're on the go and you gotta like just go. It just takes them off like easy as pie. So I'm gonna take care of all of this and I'm gonna come back. So I already got all the wheels off and I'm gonna walk you guys through for this coilover install. 3 top out bolts, 2 bolts on the bottom. I'm thinking these are 17 and 19. And brake line and the speed sensor, which should just come out. And after that, since I already took that out before, and that's it. Pretty simple. So got all the suspension out, getting ready to throw it back in. My camera's running out of memory right now, so it's gonna be a little short video. So I'm gonna get to the ending piece.